Hi, my name is Samantha. I am 19 years old and I live in Sandsburg. I have been studying pre-hospital emergency care for 3 years at Ahuntsic College. I have been studying this program because I want to be a paramedic. At school, we learn how to drive an ambulance, and we have anatomy courses where we learn how the body is working. We also have physiopathology classes where we learn several types of pathologies. We learn how to make bandages, and we learn how to do the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Well, we learn everything we have to know about the paramedic's job. I have to admit that I am not very bilingual, so one of the biggest challenges I will face when I will work as a paramedic is to explain something to a patient who doesn't speak French at all. Then, virtual writing tutor is very helpful in this case because when you are not sure about the pronunciation of any word, it can help you with that. Okay, so if you write down virtual writing tutor.com on the address bar, it will lead you to the Virtual Writing Tutor's website. There you have the logo, and on the right side of the screen, you have the scroll bar. If you go down just a little bit with the scroll bar, you will see several paragraphs. It tells you what the Virtual Writing Tutor website is. This website is very useful for students who want to learn English because Virtual Writing Tutor is an essay checker, a word counter, a spell checker, a grammar checker, a punctuation checker, and a vocabulary checker. For students who want to write an essay, it will tell you where your errors are. For my field-related challenge, it will be this little icon right here that will be very useful. If you're not sure about the pronunciation of any word, you can type it in the text area. For example, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. And you just click this button.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
And the lady's voice will pronounce it for you. So you just have to listen to what she's telling you, and you just pronounce it the way she did. You can also use it for complete sentences. You can type, "Hi, my name is Samantha, and I want to be a paramedic." You click the little button again.
Hi. My name is Samantha and I want to be a paramedic.
And the lady would tell you how to pronounce the sentence without any error. So this is how the virtual writing tutor will be very helpful when I will be a paramedic.